Squad, let's get to work. This video is a 10-minute boxing circuit training workout. We're doing 3 stations: boxing, strength, core or body weight for your conditioning piece. Boxing gloves on, heavy bag ready, shadow box if you don't have any of this. And let's get into it. A dumbbell will help you with your strength training, obviously. Let's get to work, guys. 45 seconds per station, non-stop work. We do boxing, strength, then body work. The rest is quick. The workout is awesome. Let's get to work. We're doing a warm-up right now. Yeah, squad, you know what's going on. The warm-up is coming up first. Again, a little bit of space is all you need in this 10-minute boxing circuit. Again, crossovers, just like this. Over, under. You can walk around a little bit. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Now, an easy 3 out of 10 intensity neck stretch. Hold for about 2 seconds, then switch sides. Up next, we're going to have open gates from the inside out. Get the knees up over the hips. We're going to go into a lateral lunge to your left side. Let's go. Right side, keep working. Left side, right side. Let's go. Circuit number 1 is coming up right now. Get on your boxing gloves. Let's do circuit A, which is the heavy bag, or boxing. You're going to work the 1, 2, 3, 2. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, cross. One, 2, 3, 2. Every set or every circuit is 45 seconds long. You can shadow box if you need to. It's only a 10-minute circuit, so you have to go for it. You can change up your punch rhythm as you work. Doesn't have to be the same speed all the time. Gloves come off quickly. Circuit B is strength, and we're going to do bent over rows with your dumbbells. Make sure they're fairly heavy. They should not be easy. Ready? Go. Again, squeeze your back, strong hip hinge. Breathe as you lift. Squeeze as you pull. Five seconds. Circuit C is going to be crossover mountain climbers for body weight. Right knee to left elbow. And then switch it up. Go. Little pause in between. Flex your abs as hard as you can. Crossover mountain climbers, circuit C, body weight. If you want more, go a little faster. If you want more core involved, flex harder for longer. Keep your chest high, core on. Breathing regular. 2, 1, back to circuit A. You're going to go back to boxing. Here is your demo. It's a 1, 4, duck left, double jab. A jab, rear uppercut, duck left, double jab. Let's go. Jab, rear hook, duck left, double jab. Jab, rear hook, duck left, double jab. If you want to do more, just punch the bag a little harder. If this is complicated, just throw 1, 2, 1, 2, duck. 1, 2, 1, 2, duck. Right now you're working the jab, rear uppercut, duck left, double jab. Circuit A, boxing. Circuit B, coming up, strength. You're going to do front loaded squats. The weights are in front of your body in a high rack position. Get ready, core's tight, quads on, let's work. 45 seconds. You are in the new Nate Bauer Fitness Studio. Your quads are pulling down your torso in a vertical pattern every single time, and your core is strong and holding that strong position. Five seconds before we go into circuit C, body weight. Let's go. Power lunges, forward back hops. So you do 2 power lunges and a forward back hop. Forward, back, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Find your rhythm. To make it easier, you could do a reverse lunge to forward hop. So it eliminates one set of jumping. 10 seconds before we get back into circuit A, boxing. 5 seconds. Circuit A coming up, boxing. You're going to throw a cross lead hook to the body. Duck right, 2, 3. So it's a 2, 3 body, duck right, 2, 3. Let's go. 2, 3 body, duck rear side, cross hook. Make sure you're punching aggressively on this, but still within the control. It's a boxing circuit, so you want to put in about 80 to 90% effort on your boxing pieces once you have the combination down. 2, 3 body, 2, 3, 2, 3 body, 2, 3. Love it. Circuit B, strength, is a bent over fly. You can use the same weights if you feel like you have the strength for that. If not, get about 5 pounds lighter. Slightly bent over, do flies. Let's go. Control the weights on the way down as well. Squeeze your upper back. Squeeze the back of your shoulders. And let's work. If the weights get too heavy, drop the weights and just use your arms. Or use lighter dumbbells. But try for it. It's only 10 minutes. It's only one set. Five seconds. Let's go. Letter C, dead bug on your back. You're going to extend the opposite foot out and the opposite arm back. Keep your lower back pressed deep into the floor. Flex your abs as hard as you can on the way out and also on the way in. Your head should not move a millimeter forward or back. Flex to extend your limbs. Flex hard to bring them back, all while pressing your spine into your floor. Breathe with every rep. Three, 2, 1, back. to Circuit A Boxing. I want you to freestyle and go ham on the heavy bag. All out action. And 3, let your hands go. 2, 1, max it out, champions. It's a 10-minute boxing circuit. Circuit A Boxing, all out freestyle. Fast hands, power, strength, agility. It's all right here, right now on the heavy bag. If you're shadow boxing, same rules apply. You're working body and head, all angles. "30 seconds. You are too strong to slow down, too determined to give in. Come on, squad. "20 seconds. Freestyling. Come on, max it out. Don't you stop punching, warriors. You do not need to stop. If anything, dig in harder for 7, 6, more, 5, 4, you got this, 3, 2, 1. That's how we work. Amazing work today, you guys. You crushed out a 10-minute boxing circuit training workout. I am still fundraising for about $5,000 more to help complete the studio. You can see we've come a long way. What I'm looking for is in your super thanks or in those super chats. Hook it up, some donations if you guys are able to, or check out my GoFundMe campaign to get that last 5K to get the best production equipment in here possible and to help communities come in here, more people in the community come in here and train with us. All right, guys, great job today. I'll see you for the live streams coming up in July. We're bringing the heat, guys. Thank you for joining me as a member. Continue to do that, and you will have access to exclusive videos here on the Nate Bauer Fitness YouTube channel. You guys are amazing. You crushed your workout. I'll see you for the next one.